back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about why frontals and closures are in shortage and why you should go in for the T-part lace wig that I have on my hair. It's super beautiful. You can see that I'm able to run my fingers through the hair easily. I don't really have problems with the hair, and the reason is because, you know, this hair industry is an international corporation, and because of the COVID-19 it's really difficult because borders are closed, so it's difficult for North Korea to get us the hand-tied closures and frontals. So in that case, we actually have this solution that is a T-part lace wig. The hair business is an international corporation where raw materials are imported from other countries into China. That is what happens. Raw materials are imported from other countries into China, and then the raw material is being processed, and when it comes to the hand tied and the closures, that is done in North Korea. And when it is done in North Korea, it comes back to China and then we ship to you guys. But now, because borders are closed, it's really difficult for us to get North Korea to do what is expected. So the labor cost in China for the hand tied product is really expensive, and you guys, I don't think you'll be ready to pay so much money for that. So the best solution for you all is a T-part lace wig, and a T-part lace wig has several styles. It has the deep wave, the curly, the straight, the 613, and all of that. Keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this beautiful T-part deep wave wig. It's a T-part deep wave wig, guys. You can see how it looks. The T-part is actually a T in the middle part of the wig, and this part is, so with the T-part wig, it's 13 by 4 by 1, and I'll show you guys how it looks inside. But this is really beautiful. This is a deep wave wig. Deep wave is very beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful, and you can get it in different styles. If you want to change this deep wave to another style, you can do that, but it's really perfect in this style. I'll put this wig on my head for you all to see, and this is how the T looks like. It's like a middle parting kind of wig, and without wasting much time, let me show you how the T-part lace wig looks like. So this is T wig, exactly how the T wig looks like. So gorgeous. And this T-part wig is really trending in this COVID times, like in this Corona era, because of borders are closed, because most of the borders are closed, and as a result it's difficult for factories in China to send this processed hair to Korea or North Korea for the hand-tied work to be done. So it's really difficult, and hand-tied work in China is so expensive. As a result, we actually have this T-part lace wig to replace frontals and closures, because frontals and closures are expensive. You know, it's so expensive. So if you really want to have a kind of frontal kind of wig and it's really expensive for you, you can actually choose this kind of wig. It's also very beautiful. Did you guys see it? It's really beautiful. And you can also lay baby hair if you want to lay baby hair. The only difference is you cannot really part it. You cannot give it a side part or a left part, but of course you can also make baby hair, and air will go under your hair. And this is actually Swiss lace. You can see it's really comfortable, it's very breathable, and it has got like 4 combs. There's 1 comb here, 1 comb on the side, 2 combs on the sides, and then 1 comb on the forehead, sorry, in the middle of your head, sorry, yeah, and then there's another comb at the back. So in all, the wig has got 4 combs, and then apart from that, the wig has also got an adjustable strap. So this will adjust the size of the cap in case your head is too big or too small. You can adjust it. Apart from that, the wig is actually big head friendly. It stretches a lot, so in case you have a big head, you can easily wear the wig, and if in case you have a small head, you can also wear the wig. Wear this wig and look beautiful. You need it, I need it, and you're gonna look so beautiful in the wig. I'll give you guys a chance to see the final look, and you guys can tell me how I look in the comment section. Please don't forget to share invite your friends, of course subscribe and give me comments. This is the wig right here on my head, and like I said, the T-part lace wig is just because of the pattern is right here in the middle, and you cannot give it a side part to the left or right. It's gorgeously like this. It's really beautiful. I feel it's so beautiful. And so with this kind of wig, all you need to do is you just get yourself a little bit of mousse. Okay, so this is my mousse. I'm giving it a shake, and once I'm done with the shake, I'm going to, so you see, so I have enough in my hands. I have enough in my hands, and then that is it. So I'm going to actually wet the hair, and before I do the whole thing, I want to start from the edges, like from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom of the hair. Okay, apply the mousse right from the bottom, and you can see the hair is not shedding, it's not tangling. And of course, the T-part lace wig has come to replace, solve the problem of lack of closures and frontals, because the international corporation in this hair business is actually shaky. It's broken because of COVID-19. It's really difficult for other country to help with the frontals and the closures. Sorry, frontals and closures. So as a result, most of the girls are actually going for this one, and this is actually the best solution for you all. It's like this. Yeah, so I'm going to add more mousse. I'm going to add more mousse, okay, because I didn't apply mousse to the top part of the hair. I'm going to, and you can do it slowly, step by step. Okay, so you apply mousse all throughout the hair to get the curls popping. You want to keep the hair moisturized and all that. I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back with a final look. Wow, it's so gorgeous, guys. Please let me hear from you guys in the comment section. I'll come back with a final look and see you guys. Hi guys, I'm back. I really didn't do too much. I only cut the lace. The lace was cut, and that is all. And it's super beautiful. You can see no lace, nothing. It has been cut, and this is how the hair looks. No shears, no tangle. And this is how it looks on the back. And I only applied. I like the feeling. Do you like the feeling? You know what I did? I only applied mousse, and I applied a little bit of oil to this hair, and that is all I did. So beautiful, right? So guys, the final look, and I think it's really beautiful. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Everything to this hair is right there in the description. It's super beautiful, and it's a T-part lace wig. The T-part lace wig is also trending, so don't waste time at all. Don't waste time at all. It's so beautiful, and you can see the hair is really popping. The style is really popping. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. I love this. I really and honestly love this style. So beautiful, so gorgeous, so sexy. I like the style. It's super beautiful, and this is actually the deep wave T-part lace wig. So the emphasis is on the T because of the it's really difficult for us to get a hand tied. We are actually introducing the T-part lace wig, and we have got the T-part lace wig in deep wave. We also have T-part lace wig in kinky straight. We also have it in 613. We have it in straight. So many other hairstyles. We also have it in body wave. Guys, we have the body wave T-part lace wig as well. So beautiful. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, don't forget to give your comments, don't forget to talk about this T-part lace wig. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed, lots of love, goodbye. out of here.